Good day, sir. My name is Renjujic Centurias, and this is my discussion about the shape, stress, and counteract. So, I will discuss the 7 common shape, stress, and the counteract. First, hugging. When the middle of the shape is on top of a big wave, it's like your back is pushed up, and your front and back ends hang down. To counteract this, don't put too much heavy stuff in the middle. Spread out the weight so the shape feels balanced. And the second is sagging. The opposite of hugging. When the middle of the shape is in a dip between waves, it's like your back is bending down and your front and back ends are pushed up by the waves. To counteract this, design the ship strong and don't put too much heavy stuff at the very front of the very back. And the third is shear forces. It's like if you try to twist a book from opposite ends. Part of the ship feel like they are being pulled in different direction, especially where the weight changes suddenly. To counteract this, build the ship extra strong in those tricky spots and try to spread out all the cargo evenly. And the fourth is torsional stress. When waves hit on only one side of the ship harder, it makes the whole ship twist like you're wringing out a wet towel. To counteract this, make sure the ship's body is really stiff and strong. And maybe slow down in the waves are really raw and hitting unevenly. And the seven is rocking. When the ship rolls a lot from side to side in heavy waves, the wall inside structures get pushed and pulled sideways. To counteract this, build very strong cross walls like chrome dividers inside the ship to keep the wall structure from wiggling too much. And the fifth is panting, the front and back parts of the ship, the nose and tail. Feel pressure from the waves making their outer skin wiggle in and out. To counteract this, put extra strong supports inside those from the back areas so they don't get tired and break. And the sixth is pounding, slamming when the front or flat bottom of the ship smashes down hard on the water, especially in big waves or if it's going too fast. To counteract this, just slow down the ship when it's really wavy and make sure the ship's front is a bit lifted out of the water. And the seven is rocking. When the ship rolls a lot from side to side in heavy waves, the whole inside structures get pushed and pulled sideways. To counteract this, build very strong cross walls like chrome dividers inside the ship to keep the whole structure from wiggling too much.